Story 4, page 68, Listening. Part 5, Dictation. Listen and finish the sentences. It is Monday. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Sam gets up at 6 o'clock. Sam gets up at 6 o'clock. Number 3. Today she has class. Today she has class. She has to fix breakfast. She has to fix breakfast. Number 5. They drink milk. They drink milk. Number 6. They pick up the dishes. They pick up the dishes. They put them in the sink. Number 7. They put them in the sink. Number 8. Carmen rings the bell. Carmen rings the bell. Number 9. Will they be on time for English class? Will they be on time for English class? Watch again if you didn't finish. When you finish, please take a picture in WhatsApp. Send me your picture. Bye.